Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time being here, welcome back if you've been here before. But in this video, I am going to show you how I am doing a braid pattern for my crochet braids. They're actually boho braids, and that'll be in the next video, so I won't have it entirely too long, because if you've seen before you tapped, this one's 11 minutes long, and I want it to be a little bit more detailed than I have been before. So the thing about these braid patterns is the style itself is easy. The crochet install is easy if you have the perfect braid pattern. And so I kind of switch up my braid pattern sometimes because of how I like to wear my crochets. If I wear to the right, the left, or different styles or whatever, or down the middle, that's another thing. So I want to kind of change it. I change it up a lot because of that. Now I'm using the Lock and Shine and Lock and Shine braid gel for this particular pattern, and I don't know where my rack tail comb is. My 17-year-old, me taking all my stuff, so I've had to use a different type of, I don't know, straighten comb to get it straight. So my edge brush, instead of me using the ragtail comb, I use the comb part of the edge brush, which is what you probably already saw there. So on one complete side is where I want to show how I'm doing this. So one complete side really took a lot of time. And I know that we're detailed about how we're doing these things, because when I'm watching a lot of you guys' videos, those of you that, do braids and, what is this, installs yourself. When I'm watching a lot of them, I'm looking for detail. And so if I am looking for that, I'm going to show that, just in case there's somebody out there like me that was wondering, now, how did she do that for real? All right, so I'm showing you one complete side, and I just kind of braid it halfway through. I'll take one section, braid it about halfway through, halfway down. Don't have a complete braid. And I'm just kind of gonna get it out of the way. Now, this particular section that I'm doing, this is the very top. Now, in the very top, I wanted it to crisscross because of how I wanted the hair to fall. I don't want to have a complete middle part all of the time. I want to be able to switch it up, right, left sides, different styles. And so because of that, the very front of it, I want it to be a crisscross thing. So I braided it halfway down, and you'll pretty much see how that flows there. And on the sides, it's just going to be straight back. And I'll braid it halfway down, and I'll allow the third braid to go into the next section. And you'll see how that's done. Like I said, I'm very detailed, allowing it to be seen, and not skipping over it, just because the video might be too long. If you need to skip parts, that's fine too. So one thing I did, of course, want to add is there is a lot of detail, but even though there's a lot of detail, if you take your time with it, it won't even seem like you're doing too much. It'll just really, I want to say this took me about 45 minutes to an hour, and the time will pass by so fast you won't even know it passed by, because you're really detailed in what you're doing. And I'm going to allow you to watch this video, speed it up if you need to, and you'll be able to clearly see how I'm doing this braid pattern for these crochets. And stay tuned for the next video, and it will show the crochet knotless, boho knotless braids that I installed. All right, thanks for watching, and enjoy the rest of the video.